Hey y'all, it's Steve, Hobo with Wood. Some of you may know me on YouTube as a laserologist, but this is a new channel for me, and I won't be wearing the hat of a laserologist on this channel. This channel has a whole new project. I'm going to be Hobo with Wood Chips. Get it? Wood chips? I crack myself up. I'm going to be learning how to use MillMage. And in the process of doing so, I'm going to teach you or share with you what I learn along the way. Hopefully, will be some interchanging and exchanging of knowledge, because I learn from my viewers often as much as or more sometimes when they learn from me. But this channel will be strictly about CNC engraving and MillMage software. We may look at some other softwares, but we're going to be primarily focusing on MillMage. And I'm going to be using a really small, compact CNC. I have a Cubico that I'm going to be using for my learning curve. I've got a larger CNC, but the one thing I learned when I first thought I was going to try to learn CNC is it can be expensive. It can be time consuming, especially on the large machines, on getting things set up and the material cost. So I got to thinking, scale it down. Let's learn everything on a much smaller scale. Then when we get the techniques down, we get the rhythm down, we get everything, the knowledge we need, so that when we go to scale things up, it's not as expensive or as large of a learning curve. So if you think this might be a journey that you're going to enjoy going on, be sure and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you can be sure and catch all the new videos coming out, and stay tuned for Hobo with Wood Chips. I'm Steve, and thanks for subscribing.